In front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary. First of all, just open Messages or any other area where you can input some text. Click on Start Chat, and as you can see, currently we've got English language, English keyboard. To change it, tap on Settings icon, click on Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, pick the one that you would like to apply. It's obviously up to you. The list is super long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. Let me pick Hebrew because you will be able to see the difference in letters clearly. Then tap on Done. Now you can remove unnecessary languages. Then let's go back. And as you can see here, we've got this brand new keyboard language. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.